Chapter 2.4, Exponents and Division. This lesson has three key concepts. They're listed here on the first page. Dividing powers with the same base, having 0 as an exponent, and using negative exponents. Please take a moment to copy down the key concepts. You can just list the abbreviated versions here as I have shown them, or you can copy them out of your book and have the full definition. We will then look at each of these key concepts with each of the examples. So example 1, let's look at key concept number 1, dividing powers with the same base. When dividing powers with the same base, we are going to subtract the exponents. So let's take a look at why or how this works. So in my example, I have m to the 12th, which is the same as saying m times m 12 times 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 m's multiplied together, m to the 12th divided by m to the 5th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I can cross cancel and cross out some of my m's. M divided by m is 1. 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 And m divided by m is 1. So my denominator is now 1. My numerator now has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 m's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, which equals m to the 7th power. So in my example, we would show m to the 12th divided by m to the 5th as m to the 12th minus 5, which equals m to the 7th. So this, writing it out, explains why we subtract our exponents. It's the opposite of multiplication where we add them. Okay, example 2 will have to do with what does m to the 0 mean? Well, I wrote out 3 to the 5th divided by 3 to the 5th power, just like in example 1, talking about dividing powers with the same base. So if I do the same process, each of these 3's cancel each other out, and I am left with 1. So 3 to the 5 minus 5 equals 3 to the 0. So any non-zero number that has 0 as an exponent is equal to 1. So in example 2, negative 8 to the 0 power automatically equals 1. However, in 3m to the 0, we separate the 3 times m. 3 times m to the 0 power. The exponent stays only with the variable m. Equals 3 times 1, because m to the 0 equals 1. So my product is 3. Okay, example 3 is going to talk about key concept number 3, negative exponents. For any non-zero number a and integer n, a to the negative n power equals 1 over a to the nth power. So what does that mean? So 3 to the negative second power is the same as taking the reciprocal and making the exponent positive. So why or how does that work? Well, 3 to the negative second power is the same as saying 1 Scratch that. Just ignore that. Pretend I didn't say that. Okay. I can then simplify 1 over 3 to the second, which is 1/9. So the negative exponent tells you that I'm going to put the base into the numerator or into the denominator, and then I can simplify if possible. So y to the negative 6th power is 1 over y to the positive 6th. Okay, that's it for examples today. Go ahead and complete the check your understanding and quick checks, and we will review them on Monday.